Okay, I'm Xiaogang. Actually, I knew the reason from the start, because it's due to the execution strategy here. So we can set a breakpoint and take a look. Well, now that we have this capability, we better set a breakpoint here, because I noticed that the breakpoint I set here didn't execute. It didn't execute. Why is that? Let's come here, set a breakpoint at this spot, and directly break into it. Let me explain a bit more. This part is a bit deep. Let's click here, and then let's step in. Let's step directly in. After stepping in, you'll see we execute here. And then let's continue stepping down. You see, everything is normal now. Actually, it just had no effect, right? So when we cast a skill, it's because this spot is a local prediction now. But in reality, we did this on the server. Therefore, this spot is inconsistent with our GA. It's inconsistent with our actual result. Clicking it does nothing. In reality, we only need to do it here. Change it here to Severanetolite. That's it. Then click execute. Then we come here. Then we cast a skill. Cast a skill. We need to wait a bit. Then cast a skill. Cast another skill. Next, press F1. Then we use this. See, it comes in here. Actually, see, it recovers here. It also comes in here. We don't need to worry about this breakpoint issue. You see, here we have successfully restored it. Now let's test whether the health can be successfully restored. But our item count is not being deducted. This is perfectly normal, because we gave it a heavy attack. Okay. Then let's switch back. Let's take a potion. Let's use a skill and then take a potion. Then let's do it here. We don't add F1. You see, our health has been restored by 30, right? Good. So now we just need to add the item judgment logic for everyone. It's more appropriate to edit directly in the potential. First, here, we will enable 8 by default. This is fine. Then actually here, if you want to add a logic, we are writing this interface for you. That is to say, if you want to add something, you get this thing here. Then get this inventories compound. Whether the thing corresponding to our current ability exists or not, we will just check it directly here. We won't bother making it so complicated. We will do it here. So when we trigger this event, we will apply such a mechanism here. And here it will determine whether it is on the server or the client, right? So if the determination is successful, then actually we need to get our warehouse component. Get our warehouse component. We can put this warehouse component here. It should be through. Paste it over. And then here we remove inventory item by item. And then here we can, actually this should return a boolean. Have you successfully removed it? Of course, this is a very detailed business logic. We'll just ignore it. Then here we take this thing and promote it to a variable. But you don't have to promote it this way, promoting it like this. You could also promote it as a struct or promote them separately. We'll set this to 1. We won't write this one. This one we won't write because this is the base class. So here, the hiles, right here, we can specify it. You want to remove this asset. Okay, then here in Armada, you're going to remove this asset. Okay, now let's take a look. Whether it has been successfully removed. Of course, if you're at full health, you can also check if health is full. And prompt it not to waste potions so extravagantly. You can see that here we have successfully completed the deduction of this potion. For convenience, we can also verify our, what do we call this? This continuous addition logic. Is it also possible to exist? You see, right? Hey, you can see it's completely fine. You see, right? Okay, so we finished the logic for consuming this item. But actually, we haven't implemented dragging yet, right? So let's implement dragging for everyone. Next. Okay. Let's stop here for now.